Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, in Tricky's Kitchen, Tricky will show you how to prepare boiled egg masala stir fry. This is an easy recipe and can be prepared in a very short time. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Method: heat oil in a wok, then add in the fennel seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, slit chilies, crushed ginger, and the crushed garlic cloves. Toss about for a couple of minutes. Then add in the onions and capsicum. Cover and simmer until the capsicum is half cooked. Add in the chilli powder and the curry powder. Continue to fry. Now add in the tomato ketchup, aromatic salt, soya sauce, and balsamic vinegar, or you could choose to add lemon instead. Continue to fry. Taste and add in the required amount of salt. Cover and cook on low heat. Now drop in the boiled eggs and continue to mix. Cover and cook on low heat, then garnish with green coriander. You can serve it with rice, papad and pickle, or any other accompaniment of your choice. Thank you for stopping by. Do hope you give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process, and don't forget to enjoy! If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.